Welcome to Wizbrain Trivia. Grammar test. How many can you guess correctly? Leave how many you guessed correctly in the comments. You have 10 seconds to guess each answer correctly. Let's go. My dad always blank up early. Each of them blank a car. She is allergic blank fish. One of my friends blank how to sing. The shop was crowded blank customers. Federer is very good blank tennis. She didn't blank to church. A miss is as good as a blank. I didn't blank what she said. How many did you get correctly? Let us know in the comments section below.